Hi and welcome. I realised after taking the first video that I never gave you the chance to have a look in detail while the motor was static. So I am videoing it now and I'll try and explain it as we go along. So this is a 4-pole motor, rotor, sorry, and they are 40 by 20 N52 magnets, and there's one in each outlet, and these are facing south outwards. This is the coil. It's a bipolar coil, and I've made a centre core of welded rods, which makes it a little bit more powerful than the open coil. And as you see on this side, the magnets are all north, which is opposite to the other side. It's a basic setup, but it's like a test bed at the moment. So hopefully I'll be able to change this coil for other coils, large and small, and see what effect we get and what we have to do to get it running properly. You've already seen the contactor. There you go, and you've seen that working, so I don't really need to explain that again. The frame that you see all this in, I had made, it must be 6-7 years ago, and I found it out, and I thought I would make use of it, and I came up with this idea, which I find very interesting, and I hope you do too. So that's all for now, and this will be listed with a few others showing different coils. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. The magnetic field is coming off in a different direction from the left hand side to the right hand side. So at the bottom it's driving the left rotor, and at the top, because the direction of the pulse is coming to the right, it is driving the right rotor. And this is on a large coil. Coil is 8 inches. You can see how effective that is. Plus I'm only running on 14 volts. quite interesting. Anyway, that's all for now. I'm looking into other types of coils, and I'll be back with the latest. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.